Hey guys, we've reached the end of yet another year, and as usual, it's time to dole out our annual 01 awards for the best performing devices across several categories launched in the Indian market. The awards are given out on the basis of performance alone, and other factors such as design, build, price, and extraneous features are immaterial. Let's get started with the best performing wired IEMs launched in 2019. The AUDEZE LCD i3 bags the 01 award for the best performing wired IEM in 2019. Packing planar magnetic drivers, the AUDEZE LCD i3 provides a surreal auditory experience that lets you hear the intricate details in tracks. The bass is tight, punchy, but controlled, and the lows are rendered in precisely. The highs are surprisingly detailed but never sound tinny even at higher volumes. The mids are a tiny bit recessed, but the recession is so slight that it sounds exceptionally close to neutral. The only thing we could fault was the isolation, which is subpar due to the odd design. Despite this, the auditory immersion offered by the AUDEZE LCD i3 cements its position as the winner. Placing inordinately close to the winner, the Meze Audio Rai Penta is the runner-up in this category. The hybrid Penta driver technology with 4 balanced drivers and 1 dynamic driver complement each other to provide accurate sound. These IEMs definitely favored the lows more in comparison to our winner, with them sounding quite heavy-bodied. The mids are well represented as well, however, the highs could do with some more transparency. Our best buy recommendation in this category goes to the Bare Dynamic Beat Bird, a pair of inexpensive IEMs that hold their own and provide great value for money. The Beat Bird strays from Bare Dynamic's usual close to flat sound signature and features a V-shaped sound signature, which is more consumer friendly. This means the lows and the bass are boosted, the mids are recessed, and the highs are extended. However, frequencies are not boosted or recessed excessively, which ensures good sound reproduction across the board. For a little over 2K, the Bare Dynamic Beat Bird is a solid budget purchase. There you have it, our winners for the best performing wired IEMs in 2019. Let us know what you think about our choices in the comments. Also, remember to hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon for notification for similar videos. Thanks for watching.